Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to refill the cartridges for HP OfficeJet Pro 6960. So I did buy cartridges, new cartridges, and I think ink. So when I bought the ink, then what happened? Ink for another machine, but also HP. But then the printer heads were gone. So now what I did, since I spend a lot of money on this ink, so I've got another toner, another printer, but I don't need to buy cartridge because I spent a lot of money on this. So what I did, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna suck here using a needle here, a syringe. Then I'm gonna show you how to do that. So, but I bought the original ink HP, so I'm gonna open here. Once I open, I'm gonna put a needle here, or what I can do easier for us is to, I'm gonna show you, but if you don't see it's fine, but I'm gonna show you simple. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I open the bottle, so I suck into this, then I'm gonna start pulling out, pull out. Get me? See, I got some here. You can see. Pulling out. Don't worry much about other things, but I'm gonna use this to pull out. Okay. I got quite some. Since I've got some, you can see now it's in here. So what you do, you're gonna have to take out your cartridge here, then you open here. It has a sticker. So on that sticker, let me give you something simple. I'll put on some light. On that sticker, you can see there is something like a hole here. In that hole, that's where you're going to pin you're going to put your needle. Okay, I put it inside. After putting it inside, I'm going to press this inside. Okay, I put in one inside. So now there's some ink, right? But since it's big, I'm going to suck more and more and more. This could even take time if I can suck here. Basically, you have to do that on each and every toner because I'm going to do all of them. But what I'll do, I'll wash. First, I'll wash the syringe. After washing it, I'm going to wash it. You can see what I'm doing. I'm using one hand and I'm recording this side. So after getting more, I go back here. I put in my injection here. I press. Okay. Okay, after pressing in, I take out again. Yeah, it's gonna be. You can see now because of the pressure, starting to take out some cartridges down, some ink down. You get me? And it's even started sliding into. I made a mistake. I was not supposed to do this. Wow. Because I was pushing in, I might have messed up my printer heads here. But anyway, that was a mistake I made, of which I'm going to correct by cleaning up that. Okay, we don't need ink here. In yellow, you can see blue. In blue, you can see this. That's something bad, which I've done. Let me clean this. I was making a mistake. I was supposed to put this down because whenever I push in that, it's gonna take that ink out, of which is so bad. It can cause a terrible error or mistake on that. Get me? So something I don't want to see. Wonder if I can take out the printer heads here. Something which is not that easy to do for now. I didn't realize that I was making super mistake here. But anyway, that's the way we're going to refill that. Also, there's some ink which spilled into here, down. Okay, I'm trying to dry this up. Try my best to dry it up so that I don't repeat the same mistake. Okay, I think it's getting better. Yeah, but you're gonna do what I'm telling you here. Gotta be careful here, and you do the right thing. So my mistake, I wanna try to correct it here. I'm putting in some cloth to try and fix up what I've messed up. Okay. The second thing I would do, I'm gonna do a magenta. But anyway, use the same formula to achieve what I have achieved here. Okay. Yeah. So if you have original ink and you don't know what to do, use it in a second machine, because you cannot. Let me use this. Cannot waste, because there's a little bit of stress if it comes to money. So I clean this up nicely. After that, I'm gonna be having, yeah, so this thing, it was pushing a little pressure inside here. So whatever I was putting in, it was going out. So I think the best way is to put it in when it's facing up. Get me? So that's what I'm gonna do. I think you understand. So I put in the needle there, then I put it in when it's facing up. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, well guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. So, but one of the differences between maybe other people who do this, they do it to avoid paying a lot of money. But me, I bought the ink which was original, so I'm trying to refill this so that I don't buy other more ink, because this is too much, and these cartridges are always small and they are expensive. That could be one of the easiest ways to get away from that. I think so. Yeah guys, hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Azan What Basonia TV for now.